That's cool.
Hello.
So we're gonna look at Greyhawk Overture. I figured I'd start the lesson today with speaking a little. They have this nice blurb that she wrote about the piece. So I'm gonna talk about the first paragraph because then it gets complicated stuff and no one wants to hear that. So it says, Greyhawk Overture is an original composition in the contemporary style. It is based on a bold and dramatic theme, first presented by the unison cornet's trumpets. The contrasting theme, quieter and in a more gentle style, features simple, scale-wise motion. Together, the themes provide a satisfying and interesting composition for beginning band students. So, when I look at this piece, I imagine kind of a, what was this? Like a parade. I used to think like the beginning of the Hunger Games, because it's like the opening, like the first two measures, there's chords with you guys. The doors are opening, and everybody comes through when the trumpets come in. So when you look farther in the piece around measure 11, it's got this more contrasting section. It's quieter, and it's kind of like everyone's come in, so now they're just like going through the parade, waving, everyone that's just kind of going on. And then it finishes out with some big ending ceremony, which is the return of the original theme. So as we go through and we're playing this piece today, I want you to think about that. Think about that style that you want to portray when you envision that. So, like a term I use, I don't know if we've talked about it yet, is marcato. It's like the kind of just like middle ground between staccato and legato. You want the notes to be separated, but you don't want them to be short. Specifically in the eighth notes for the trumpets, I'm talking about the bum 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 bum. Alright? So just keep that in mind as we're playing this. So to begin, first I want to start with some breathing exercises. So I want everyone just to take some deep breaths. Sit up straight, feet on the ground. I want everyone just take some deep breaths through in and out through your mouth. Now, go like this, and leave like an OK symbol, and just go. Just to try and get everything moving, so it's nice and long. Alright, so we're going to start right at the beginning, and just see how it goes, and then pick from there. Alright, so we'll start a little slower than 96. Alright, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it'd be nice, but we can figure that out later. So, what I want to focus on first is I want to listen to the chords that you two have, the inline parts. Sorry, I know there's no trumpet part in the beginning. But if you want to, you could just listen to it, because I'm going to work with both of them. And so I don't want you to just be left out. Same with you. I guess, could you play snare drum? I'm sorry.
Sure.
So, no, it's fine. So I'm going to work with them. Could you guys, when you're not listening, either you guys can finger your parts, sizzle with them. Can you just like listen? Maybe I might ask you to make some comments on what you might think it would improve it, or what you thought, okay? Just so that you're involved and you're not just sitting there. So, let's just listen to you two playing that flute real quick. 1, 2, 3. So snare drum, you have dum 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 dum. So let's just start right in the beginning. So you just 2 measures of you by yourself. Then we'll come in with the trumpets. Make sure you guys are tonguing. I didn't hear much tonguing. It's kind of like all slow to if you may. So cool. This is 1, 2, 3. Still focusing on getting a more clear articulation so we can hear the separation between the notes. So let's hear everybody together one more time, then we'll move on to something else. Cool. That's it. Starting right in the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Let's watch our dynamics, possibly a little less alto sax. Which is fine though, thank you.
Is my F not low? Both or just one?
F is
Just one.
just one. Actually, I should let that answer that question.
I'm sorry. It's mine.
Okay, we're gonna move on to the measure later. So you guys do not have a part here, but I want you to listen to everyone else, and I'll actually ask you to say something next time. So with this trombone part, could you play alto sax instead of that little solo? Alright, and I'll just play top 10 that line. Is that cool? And there's I don't know which one you have.
At first.
Okay, cool. Alright, so and then we'll just leave through that for now. So this is lightly. So this has this is kind of focusing the alto sax is the melody here. So I'll let her come out. But since you guys can play out since the instrument is naturally loud as well, three of you guys playing. And because if you just keep playing the snare drum part, you sound good. So here we go. I'll just cut you guys off at that point. We'll keep going 19. So 1, 2, 3. What did you guys think about that? Is there any suggestions you guys offer up with articulation? Alright, so I would say I don't know if this how this would sound, possibly like could you put more separation in your notes too? Because you're doing that fine alto sax with a slow 2-tone too. So let's try that when we get in the measure 15, do a crescendo. So because there's a everyone goes to mezzo forte. So just get louder, and there's just you two there in trouble because you can play out more. I know you're feeling well, but just do what you can. So cool. Alright, let's try it one more time. Do the section one more time. 1, 2, 3. So let's put those two parts together, starting at the beginning. Do you want to stand up? Alright, so we're going to go from the beginning to 19 and put everybody together. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Great, it's cool to hear that all come together. Watch you playing B natural. So this first thing in B flat is cool though. It sounded really good. It's made a lot of improvement. So we're going to continue on. The next section is similar. So we're going to go to the end real quick to work on that. So let's go to measure 44, please. Have everybody there. So we're just going to go through, we're going to work on the end and then we're jumping those sections. So, watch out. Keep in mind the kind of setting we're trying to do. These first 4 measures are the same and then there's something different. Keep that decrescendo into the next section as it gets quieter. So let's keep in mind of that. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. First thing I want to address, clarinet in measure 54, 55.
The VC.
Yeah. Which is a divided. Okay. Just play the top part.
Alright, so she can.
Do you want to go through that?
It scared me, so I didn't.
Yeah. Do you want to play that with them?
Yeah.
That's what happened. So we'll just start in measure 54. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Parts if there's anything stripping sizzle through while we're doing this. Christmas, you can play out while we're doing this. Give that driving rhythm. I know it says that's a piano, but bring it out a little more.
Okay, got it.
Okay, let's try it one time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We'll work on some more. So, that's fine. So, So moving on to as we get to measures 48. Everyone that's playing there. Let's just play through this real quick. Focusing on everyone that has those slow two tongue twos and the ones that ba dum bum bum ba bum bum ba. Make sure we get good articulation with that. So let's do that. Starting in 48. Okay, yeah. So 1, 2, 3. I think you gotta start like measure, like,
Yeah.
and you're playing by two.
Oh, okay.
Each of them, boom,
Okay.
boom, boom, boom. And you can play the alto. So let's try that one more time.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. So
C
C
is
sharp.
all three with
Isn't
the
it?
corner.
Corner.
Corner down.
coolio. Alright. One more time. 1 and measure 48. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Great. If we do that ending again, you can bring out the bum, 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 because that sounds awesome. So, alright. Go to measure the 28. It's three. This part's in 3/4. Keep that in mind. So, bum, 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 bum. So, this is pretty much just woodwinds and good question.
I don't have a triangle. Should I?
Is that what that's supposed to be? Oh, no, you don't have to. You want to play bells?
Sure.
So you have bum, 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 bum. So is that part on there? The bells part? It isn't.
No.
Oh, alright.
Yeah. I was just
Then play the triangle part with the snare drum, just for now, so we can get that. It's on too. So let's just hear you guys. We'll work on this part. You guys just finger through something that's tricky. Alright. Here we go. I'll give you one measure. 1, 2. So, in measure, so measure 34. Watch that little rundown. It sounded like God rest in this. So, I say let's try and put as much of this together as we can. I know we didn't look at 19, but it's essentially the same thing as the end, which we looked at. We have the blah 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 blah. So I say we start from the beginning and see where we can get through this. Kind of put everything that we've all done together.
Alright.
So, alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3.